how to install Stumble Guides on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can install Stumble Guides on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now basically, if you want to install on your iPhone, even though I'm showing you this process on my Android, the same process will also be applicable on your iPhone. So on our Android, we simply launch our Google Play Store. On iOS, we open up our App Store. Or basically on iOS, what we can do is we can simply open our browser and we can type in Stumble Guides App Store on iPhone and just hit the search button. When we do that, we'll find the first link from apps.apple.com, which is the App Store link to download Stumble Guides on iPhone. So when you click on this link, it should basically open up in your App Store on your iPhone. Because I'm using an Android, it's opening up as a web address. But if you have an iPhone, you're an iOS user, this will pop up on your App Store. And just like how we install on your Play Store on Android, you just click the install button. Same as well for your iPhone, you just click on the get button, verify with any verification, and it will be successfully installed on your iPhone. This way you can install Stumble Guides on iPhone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.